Hello, we're in the Abacos. This is Cadence, our tiny home all by herself away from the modern world. And this is Great Sail Cay, one of over 700 uninhabited islands in the Bahamas. Like no human civilization. So come along with us on this little island escape as we sail and explore uninhabited islands.
Good morning, everybody! We're heading to our first uninhabited island. So excited!
Yeah, but first we have a challenge. We have to get through Indian Head. It may look like open water out there, but just past these islands, it's only 3 feet deep. So there's a small cut, it's about 200 feet wide, and it drops down to 7 to 10 feet deep. We have to find it, get through it without getting blown off. It's 1 mile long at its shallowest point, 6 miles long total that we have to really pay attention, about 45 minutes.
The microphone was clearly struggling with 25 knots of wind, and so did our planning.
Okay, so we have a norther blowing in on us today, pretty big, coming from this direction. It's going to make our original plan to go around the Abacos no good. So we're going to take that norther and take advantage of it to head south. This is West End where we are. We got the Berry Islands here. No problem getting there today. The problem is once we get to this point, we'll check out and see what the sea state is. And if it's just too much, we're not liking it, we can scrap plan A to the Berries and just take a left turn right here a few miles to Lakaya.
Well, I like the idea of going to the Berries.
Okay, scrap all that plan A, plan B business. We're going to plan C, which was our original plan. We are going to go to Abacos. Check it out. We've had our coffee, so now we're thinking differently. We're just going to leave here and anchor at Mangrove Cay, and we're going to do Abacos. We'll spend a week or two through here. We won't have to worry about marina fees. We'll take that completely off the table, and then we don't have to even question the sea state here. We can have good, smooth sailing in Little Bahama Bay. Let's do it. Okay, friends, that's how we plan. The wind shifts, and so do those plans. So now that that's squared away, let's get that sail on to our first island. All right, so we timed it well. We have high tide underneath us. We have 10.5 feet in this cut. It's supposed to be 7 feet. So that's about a 3-foot tide under us. So the pink line is our track. Actually, our route, it's our route. The yellow line is the track where we've been. And you can see I'm aiming a little bit to starboard of that line. So I'm gonna go to port 2 degrees. Should be 7 feet below us. And we have 11 feet. Oh, it looks so turquoise over there! Woo! Nice sail. We're going in between these little rain showers. It gets really sunny and pretty. Light wind. We've had between 9 and 12 knots of wind. On a close reach, about 40 degrees off the wind. Had the motor just a minute ago because the wind dropped and came kind of on our nose. So it's just a gentle day. I love it. We're doing about 4.5 to 5 knots of speed. Couldn't ask for better, I think. This is everything I thought it would be, and more. So we have about 7 hours left. I'm trying to video. Hold on. This doesn't count, by the way. Cheers.
it to our first uninhabited island. This is Great Sail Cay. We're going to be here for, you know, about 20 hours or so, and rest and play and see which way the wind will take us. So excited. So happy to be here.
Yeah, so this is our first island in the Abacos Islands, the first Abacos Cay, before we head into the northern Abacos. Beautiful. It's 7 miles long, only 1 mile wide, or less than a mile wide. And there's a beach to go to shore on. Olivia's out paddleboarding. I think, if I'm lucky, Nancy's going to cook up some food. And I'm going to shake up a cocktail.
Goombay smash!
Goombay slush. Goombay slush. Bahamas style.
It's my new favorite drink.
Anyway, it was a great day. The sail was good. When the wind shifted, the motor was good. The water was beautiful. What more can you ask for? So apparently we're getting a great sunset. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. For dinner, Nance.
We are having a plant-based pot roast.
Nice, little impossible meat.
And a skillet.
Carrots. Gravy mixed up here. Nice. Nice.
After a restful night on the hook, we were on our way to the next uninhabited island, Powell Cay. It's a good 6-hour sail away, so we weighed anchor with the full moon still in the western sky. The breeze was light, so we made way under mainsail and auxiliary power until the breeze filled in to give us a nice close reach.
This has been a great day. The sail was amazing. 6-7 hours on the water. This last little stretch through here, we're booking at 7.5 knots. That was nice. Had good lunch, and it's just been beautiful. The northern Abacos, I guess is what this is called. It's nice.
We are approaching Powell Cay. It is just across from Cooperstown in the Great Abacos Islands, and it's our second uninhabited island. We did not get to go to shore and explore in Great Sail Cay, our first uninhabited island, because the weather is changing tomorrow, and so we wanted to move to an anchorage that provided us a better protection from north winds, and that particular location is just not great. So we decided to go ahead and sail another 8-hour day and come here. We're going to anchor for a couple of days, let this norther blow through, and then hopefully we're going to get to do some water fun.
Okay, oh my gosh, this place is gorgeous. It's amazing. We're drinking a Goombay smash, and Nancy's making some stir fry. This place is just so gorgeous. My mind is blown. I'll share the drone footage with you. It's been a good night. We're gonna see you tomorrow. We have the norther blowing in, maybe some rain. Hopefully we can have some fun. Either way, we're gonna see you. Look at Libby's killer room. She's got this neon blue happening. Oh yeah. Sorry about the mess. That's my mess.
Bad sailing.
That's my mess from sailing and from doing the hatch. What's all the phone action going on these days? Instagram. Follow Olivia on Instagram.
It's private.
Oh, is it private? You have to request and she might accept you. Olivia Catherine with a K. Put the link right here. Yeah, follow her up. Art, fun.
What's the plan, Matt?
All right, I think we're gonna go explore today. Beautiful sunshine. We have a couple hours before the wind shifts and we have the front end.
think we're going to go land the paddleboard and the dinghy over on that sandy point. And then we can walk across that little lagoon, snorkel, maybe find some conch. I want to get to the rocky point. I think that's going to be good snorkeling over there. And I don't know what the current's going to be like, so we'll just find out when we get there. It's going to be good. Beautiful day. Say again?
You can see all the way down. It's my first time. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Look at how the water changes.
It's kind of chilly. It feels good. Having fun? You having a good time?
Softest sand I have ever found. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Day 4 in Uninhabited Islands.
Your eyes are a bit tired.
I am tired. I didn't sleep much last night.
Played hard last couple days. Traveled and played.
We traveled, we played. That was part of it. But the norther was blowing in last night. It's a new kind of anchoring for us, so I was just a little, I guess, uneasy while we slept. But we did great. Easy. I did laundry. Busy day.
What'd Matt do? Just lay around all day?
Matt just, you know how lazy. No, I'm just teasing. Matt fixed the panel in the anchor locker, and he created videos and posts. Busy day. Got it!
Let's go. It's a good day. I mean, how about this water? How about that water color? That's a shipwreck behind us. We thought we might explore that. It's very shallow though. It's only about 2 or 3 feet here. And most of the ship is under the sand. Broken down. Maybe at a higher tide. Alright, before we hit the haystack, get some proper rest tonight, I've got to share with you this meal that Nancy has put together. Most importantly, I've got to share with you these garlic knots. First of all, we got Italian green beans. I made a cheesy garlic sauce. I have sauteed cabbage. But the garlic sauce goes with these garlic knots. Look at this. This is what Nancy makes. Look at those with real chunks of roasted garlic. She makes them out of this. We'll put a recipe in the blog. It's so super easy. She does it in 30 minutes. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm gonna give me 2 of these. And I'm really exhausted. So thanks for joining us today. It was day 4, wasn't it?
Yep.
We've got a big day planned tomorrow, so we will see you in the morning. I don't know why I'm whispering. We are
are going to explore this little island. We're going to see if we can find a path to walk on and snorkel. Then turn it around. Pretty thick back here. No path there. Let's go down the beach and try one more. All right, let's try here. Can't quite get through any of that. It's really thick. Let's go back there and see what's happening. Got some.
Looks like a path.
Just have some fallen trees, right? Definitely looks more like a path. Okay. Yeah. Hey. I can dig it.
That is definitely a path.
Definitely a path here. Big old lizard.
We should have brought Mocha. She would have scared it off.
This little forest here is thick. I didn't realize they had such thick forests here in the Bahamas. There's some type of pine tree here. It's definitely an evergreen and quite tall. 40 feet, 50 feet. All right. Yeah, this is a dead end right here. That's thick, very thick. Mangroves and vines. The path through here becomes precarious again. Has not been walked in a long time. What do you think?
I think that this is not a path.
It's pretty thick. Got a fallen tree there.
That might have been a path, but no. Yeah, let's go back.
Not without proper shoes. All right, that's definitely a path, but it's a job for hiking boots and a machete. Kind of clear it back out again. Definitely not a job for beach sandals. So anyway, I guess we'll move on to the next part of the key and get back in the dinghy and see what's next.
Whenever low tide comes.
It's a refreshing swimming pool. Looks like someone lives here.
Yeah, I know. Hope we're not
There's a hammock.
disturbing them.
Hello?
So we thought somebody was living here when we pulled up, but it's actually a beach plastic collection. So as you're walking the beach, you pick up the plastic and bring it here, and then someone will come and collect it and take it and dispose of it.
That's cool.
Pretty cool.
I like that. This looks pretty good. This trail here. It's got palms. Oh, it's windy.
It's pretty.
It has all the kelp washed up. Definitely a grassy area out here. Yeah, it's windy, a little chilly tonight. Thanks for joining us. I think that's the end of the episode.
Yep. Thank you for joining us. It's been a beautiful place here at Powell Cay.
It's very nice.
Kind of hate to see it go.
Nice change of pace. We've been here all alone, and just this evening, 4 other sailboats came into the anchorage.
Our spot. We'll share.
So we must share, but we met some of them actually very nice. And one of the guys we met back in West End. He's here, so he's caught up with us. So that's really cool.
Yes, so much fun.
We're making water right now. We're about to wrap that up, do a few more chores. I think we have some cleaning in the cockpit to do, so I guess we'll leave you with this sunset.
Matt's been calling these sunsets vanilla skies. They're gorgeous.
Yeah, so there's the water. So we look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for watching.
Leave us a comment down below and do all that YouTube stuff. Heart smash, ring the bell. Enjoy the sunset.
I can see it.